What's up, guys? Today's video, we are going to be getting the new pink orbs that are in the new map, I guess.
We don't know what it's called yet.
Yeah, we don't know what the map's called, but we're going to have to go through vents, and we're going to have to go to the station with everything in it. So, hope y'all enjoyed this. Let's get ready, and then we can go. Okay. So I got this random kid, this random guy right here. I think he's already good with his stuff. I'm not. I'll be taking this. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, wait. Do you have a pickaxe?
Yeah, it's in my backpack. I'm saving it for when I'll get to the orchard.
Okay. Because I don't want you to leave empty-handed. No, okay, we didn't take no damage. Whoa.
Really?
So, this would not be posted for like a day. Because I'm going to have to edit it after. So, if I can, I'll be posting it today. So, in August, I will not be posting as much as I usually do. I got lots of stuff to do there in that month. But probably in like September, we can do it. But I will be hosting a big event. 200 subscribers. We're not close to there, but we're almost getting there. If we hit 100, I would be getting all my subscribers if they have VRs. And I would be friending like half of them. And at 200, I would be hosting a big event in October. The code will be Goofy 27. Goofy 27 will be the code. You ready?
Goofy 27. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, that was fast.
Yeah.
So let's go through.
It's a no PvP. It's a no PvP server, so that's
Oh, I got stuck. Oh, let's attack him. Attack him. Oh, don't get hit by him. Because
nice.
I think this is the way.
Okay, let me put my pickaxe up.
Here we go, wait for him. So the whole point of this video is just a little run because I haven't really done like a run of this new map. So we're just checking it out, reviewing it. I probably already played. I did play it a few times. But this is my first time doing it for a video. So, oh, go.
Oh, shoot.
Oh my God.
He's on me. He's on me.
He's on me now.
Just go.
Just go.
You can leave him. Just go.
Okay, let's not touch the water. And then, if you know where.
Did you know you could like use the grappler to like touch the water somewhere far away from you and it?
Oh, I don't use grappler anymore because you can't like hooked onto metal anymore. That's why I've been using a ton of these ray guns.
I use the grappler to lure it away.
Oh, did you step in the water?
It's not over there. It's over here.
No, it's right here.
Oh, let me see. I don't know. Oh, shoot. I'm cooked. You good, chat?
Well,
I'm gonna watch. You go, bro. You go. I'm gonna watch. You go.
okay. Okay, boys, we're doing this alone. He died. So, let's do this. I think he's gonna be watching me. He's gonna be watching me.
I'll take him out. I'll take him out.
Whoa. Oh, that's you doing that.
Yeah, I'll take him out.
Whoa, I didn't know I thought I was doing it. I thought I was doing it. That actually scared me.
It auto revived me.
Well, I'm almost back.
Yeah, I'll wait.
Okay, boys, we just lost a soldier. No way, boys, we're already full. Yeah, boys, we're full.